In your Google page, you should be able to see this page when you log into your Google account. You come to this on your right on this dots. Click on this dots, and then look for Drive. You will be taken to your Google Drive. If you've used it before, this is how the home page will look like. It will show you what you've previously worked on. So you can go to My Drive. So My Drive, this is where you can create your folders and upload your scholarship application documents. So what you do is you right click and then you create new folder, and then you click new folder. So when you click new folder, you have the option to rename that folder. So you can maybe write scholarship documents and then click create. You see that your new folder has been created. Then you can click on more actions. So under more actions, there are different options to open with. I never really use this. You can download the whole folder. You can rename it. You can share it with someone, or just copy the link and share it with someone. You can organize. So when you organize, you can move it somewhere, or add a shortcut, or add a color. If you are a visual person, you can just change the color so that you make your folders more appealing. And then inside the main folder, your main scholarship documents folder, then you can add files into the folder. You can choose to create subfolders if you want to be more organized, or you can just directly drop files into your folder. So this is how you create a subfolder. You just click folder, and then let's say this folder is for essays or personal statement or research proposal, whatever you want to name the folder. You can change the color. So you have your subfolder. You can create other subfolders here depending on how you want to organize your documents. So this is how you upload files into your Google Drive. Remember, I said you can just upload directly into your main scholarship document folder, or you can just upload them in the designated folders. I'm going to upload it here on the general folder and then show you how to move. If maybe you've decided to upload all your documents in one space in the main scholarship document folder, and then organize them later. So you right click. You have two options. You can upload a single file, Word document, PDF document, Excel sheet, or an image. Or you can upload a whole folder. Maybe you have a folder in your computer already with some documents. You can upload that whole folder. So I'm just going to upload a single file. You click File Upload, and then you find wherever you have saved your document. So I'm gonna upload this document. Doesn't really take time. So when you upload the document, it will show you the type of document that you have uploaded. I've uploaded a Word document. So what we can do is we can drag and drop this document into this folder. If it is where you want it to be, you just drag and drop. and then the document will move to that folder. So when you click, you'll find it. Or you can just directly upload documents into this subfolder that you have created. So for sharing, you have to be careful when you share. Let's say you have requested feedback on your document. You have requested someone to review your documents, and you want to work with them through Google Docs. For example, I've uploaded Google Docs. So you need to decide the kind of access that you want to give, and you have to be careful with that. First of all, you need to know that this is your main folder, your main folder. So if you share this folder, if you give someone access to this whole folder, know that they are going to see all the documents that you've uploaded in this folder. They're going to have access in this folder. That's why I'm saying it's important to be careful on what kind of access you give. And if you want to give them only access to this subfolder so that they can look at your essays, then you have to click on the subfolder and give them access. It will only give them access to the essays, not your main folder. Or alternatively, if you just want them to have access to a document, just one document, not the whole folder, you come to the document and then you share. The share options are the same. Whether you are sharing the main folder, subfolder, or documents, you have two options. First, you can copy the link. No, first you can share directly with the person. If you know the person's email address, you can add their email address there, and then you decide on the type of access they have. So you decide whether you restrict it, no access, or anyone with the link can access, or anyone within your organization can access the documents. So that's how you give access.